Hello and welcome to UberPad, India's first smart AV e-commerce store. Today we're doing a feature roundup of the Epson EH-LS500, a 4K Pro UHD ultra short throw laser projector. This premium projector from Epson crams a whole lot of smart features into a slick looking package. Before we get into the details of the EH-LS500, please subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get a notification every time we post a new video. Now, let's get into it. This ultra short throw projector lets you display up to 130-inch screen size by placing it just inches away from the projection area. As it is an ultra short throw projector, it can be used in rooms of any size without any compromise in quality. Thanks to its special design, you can place it on an entertainment center or a coffee table and get great projection quality. At the heart of the projector is a 4000 lumens laser light source with a 25 lakh:1 dynamic contrast ratio. This projector sports a native resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels at 60Hz refresh rate. The EH-LS500 integrates a host of technologies such as 4K Pro UHD, 3LCD, REC709 color gamut, and 10-bit HDR with HLG for stunning color accuracy, brighter whites, and deeper black levels. The EH-LS500 projector runs an Android-based OS with Google Assistant-based voice search, internet streaming services, and downloadable smart TV apps such as YouTube, Netflix, and much more. On the rear panel, you'll find a host of connectivity options such as two HDMI 2.0 ports, both with HDCP 2.2 support and one with ARC pass-through, RJ45 port for internet connectivity, a USB port, a 3.5mm analog audio out, and a RS232C for automation. The front panel is detachable to give access to the control panel and to reveal the built-in dual 10-watt speakers. This area also sports a USB and HDMI port to connect and store streaming devices such as Fire Sticks and Chromecast, etc. The projector can be operated using either the included remote control or the iProjection app. In a nutshell, the EH-LS500 is an all-in-one smart 4K laser projector that is geared to deliver a larger-than-life entertainment experience in your movies, TV shows, and gaming sessions. For more information on the best pricing, warranty, and availability of the Epson EH-LS500 4K Pro UHD Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector, get in touch with UberPad support. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more such interesting and informational videos. Thank you for watching.